Hey guys, this is Lisa with Great Ideas Design Style, coming to you with a brand new video on today. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. I'm having a fantastic day. So before we get started, as I always say, please comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to hit the notification bell button so anytime I put out a video, you will be notified. Give me a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel. For my loyal subscribers, thank you for supporting my channel. And if you're new here on today, please hit that subscribe button. Help to support this channel as well. There will be more exciting and new things coming in the future. So I want to give you guys a tour of my revamped kitchen. Now, if you've seen the first video, then you would know what my kitchen looked like prior to what you're going to see here today. I call it my classic kitchen. And I'm excited to be able to show you the final look of the revamped kitchen. So again, let's get started. Please give me comments below. And I hope you like what you see here, and I hope you're encouraged to do something new and exciting to your home as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, before I give you a description of the things that were changed in this kitchen, let me give you a full view of what it looks like today. Okay, now beginning with my pantry, and this will be my first time giving you guys an inside look at my pantry. I wanted to show you how I've organized it. I have a small pantry, but it's very well organized. Up top are all my paper goods. I always keep paper plates on hand and plastic utensils and straws and bowls, as you can see, paper towel, napkins. Up top is just miscellaneous knickknacks. In the middle here's my cereal containers, my sweetener, my containers for sweet fruit chews and oatmeal, things of that nature. I purchased these containers from IKEA, and the trays that the containers sit in, I got those from Walmart. And as you can see, I've labeled each tray. It's a miscellaneous tray, my snack tray, down below I have my can organizer, which I love. And what I like about this can organizer is that when you remove a can, the next can automatically rolls down. So it keeps everything organized, and it gives me full use of my pantry. Down below is my water. And I bought these water dispenser trays. to keep my water organized. I keep sodas and other drinks down here as well. And right under there are my cleaning products and other miscellaneous items. So let me give you a full view of my pantry. I like it because I'm able to put my hands on things. As soon as I need to look for something, it's right there. I can fully see it. And like I say, although it's a small pantry, it works well for us, especially when it's organized. Okay, now moving right along. Let's talk about these lovely revamped kitchen cabinets that my husband and I did ourselves. If you haven't seen the first video of my kitchen, please go back and watch that video. Then you will see what the cabinets look like prior to us revamping these kitchen cabinets. We added molding at the very top. And as you can see, it's my luxurious brown color. The cabinets are nice soft beige. And by the cabinets being that lovely soft beige color, it causes the backsplash and the countertops as well as the flooring to pop. My husband also spray painted the knobs on the cabinets a metallic dark copper. And the molding is also the same color as the knobs. A lovely metallic dark copper. So anytime I use a light color, I always contrast the lighter color with a darker color to give it balance, as you can see here. The center block is painted a darker beige color. I wanted it to kind of sit along and make a statement against the lighter cabinets. I also had my husband to respray my Life is Good sign, a white color, just to add a little white. As you can see, I still have my lemons. That's one of my colors within my kitchen, are the lemons. Over here, here's my lovely table setting. It's still the same. There's my black and white peekaboo color, as I like to call it. I just traded out my lemon plates for these plates. It's a nice gold and white color. I got these plates years ago from Home Goods. And every so often I will trade out my plates just to give the kitchen table a different feel or a different texture. Okay, along with the revamping of the kitchen cabinets, we also revamped our garbage can. It's the same beautiful, luxurious color as the molding and the knobs on the cabinet. That metallic, dark copper color, which is spray painted. My husband spray painted it and put a nice clear on it. Looks like a brand new garbage can, but it all ties in with the kitchen decor. So as you can see, everything pops. Now I'm sure I'm just gonna get a little comical here. I'm sure everyone, or some of you, or maybe all of you, have seen the movie Mommy Dearest. And if you remember the scene where she was in her daughter's closet and she found a wire hanger. She got upset about that wire hanger. And she made a statement, no more wire hangers. Well, I feel the same way about the orange cabinets that was in this kitchen, y'all. Guess what? No more orange cabinets. And I am so happy and so elated. And even more excited that we did it ourselves. So no more orange cabinets, you all. Although I do still have 3 orange cabinets that still need to be painted within the home, and they will be done soon. But I love the way this kitchen came out. I enjoy being in my kitchen for any purpose. Okay, since we are over here, let me show you all how I organize my seasoning. I have these lovely plastic containers which have handles on them, so I can easily pull them out. Anything I need to use is very organized, and I can see what's in them. So I've organized my seasoning cabinet. And these cabinets have a lot of storage. So a lot of my cabinets aren't even full yet. They have a lot of storage. There is nothing wrong with our kitchen cabinets. They just needed to be painted. And while I'm here at my refrigerator, let me show you what I've done in it. So here's the refrigerator, and what I've done is added labels. I purchased these labels off of Estee. And as you can see, I also have fridge coasters in my refrigerator. Of course, the yellow. And these fridge coasters work very well. They keep your refrigerator from getting dirty. I purchased them off of fridgecoasters.com. And I hardly ever have to clean this refrigerator. If a coaster gets soiled or dirty, I simply pull it out and replace it. Saves time for not having to do any cleaning in the refrigerator. Here's the door here. And for these trays, I had to actually get black lettering, because of the white trays. But as you can see here, everything is very well organized. And when you go into the refrigerator, you can get exactly what you need. I don't know, it just gives me a good feeling to have a very organized section that I'm proud of. Okay, so on today, this is not going to be a very long video, but I just had to share with you all the finalization of my classic kitchen. So before we go, here's another overall view. Of what the kitchen looks like. I know a lot of people like to use white or gray to lighten up their kitchen. But I've just shown you, you can use beige, which is a color, a nice, lovely color, and it will lighten up your kitchen as well. So I hope everyone have enjoyed what they've seen here on today. And I look forward to connecting with you all in my next video. Until then, you all have a blessed and prosperous day.